This video is going to go over what's new within VERICUT reports. The newest version of VERICUT, 7.03, has had a lot of updates in the templates. To start with, we've added some icons. So the icons are for tables and for images. As you can see, this gives you a different icon for each of the format and makes it a lot easier to see what's in each area of your template. As well as that, we have table header style definitions. Now we can change the font and the background color. And as you can see here, we have a different font and a different background color on this header. As well as that, tables in tables. So this is the original format. We would have one table, and then we'd have to have another table, and then another table. But within this latest version, we can add tables within tables. So this gives us a much more enhancement, so we can make it a lot more flexible and we can change a lot of things. You can add in each table or cell a VERICUT image or a digital photo, as you can see here in this demonstration. In the first one we've got a cutter description or a picture. In here we have a table, and in this one we have an image that's been taken out of VERICUT, and down here we have another table. So you can insert tables within tables, as you can see here. As well as that, we have hyperlinks now. So now you can hyperlink it to a picture file, a text file, a video file, or anything on the internet. So you can add a picture from a file and go and view a picture you'd like to add to the template. So you can insert a picture, insert a table, insert a hyperlink, or insert a text. So what I'm going to do now is give you a quick demonstration on a sample template. Now this is the VC project we're going to be using in VERICUT 7.03 to demonstrate the updated documentation templates within VERICUT. So the first thing we need to do is run the part to the end. This is a quick, simple gun barrel, only using 4 tools, so it's quite a quick run through. It's come to the end. So now we need to open up the document. To do that, we go over to File. We go down to Create a Report. In Create Report, we have 3 options. We can either open a text file, a HTML file, or a PDF file. Now we're going to open up a HTML file. This gives you another window, and it gives you an option where you would like to save this file. So as you can see, it's quite quick and easy to make a document within VERICUT. Let's look at this document quickly. So at the top we got the header. As we go down, we've got a few pictures, program summary, and there's some of the files that I've used in the VC project. And in here we got different pictures of each tool change and what's been done after the tool change. In here we have a tool use graph, which gives you a bit of an indication on the time that each tool is being used. And down here we have a tool summary, which gives you a full information on the tool and another picture of what's done after that tool's finished. And down the bottom we have a tool video, so by picking on these screens you can open up a video. So what we're going to do now, we have a look at the template that's been used to do this documentation. So what we need to do is go back into VERICUT and go to Project, into Report, and Report Template, and Edit. And this will open up the template. So what I'm going to do now is get the documentation up again as well. So what we're going to look at first of all is the header. Okay, as you can see we've got a blue background. So we can open up the table here, and as you can see this is made of number of columns 2 and number of rows 1. So on the left column we have a picture, which is this VERICUT label. You can see the icon on here demonstrating that it is a picture. And in here we have a table. Number of columns 2 and number of rows 3. So let's have a look at the program summary now. So in the program summary we can search down and find the table that's being used. And you can see there what we've got here is we've got a table, and within this table we have another table. So we've got a table here and then a table here. So in this custom table, which is on the left hand side, we have the program info table, which is inside, and plus we have a hyperlink. As you can see here, this is a hyperlink to the machine, the HAS VF2 web page, which is demonstrating on the screen. I'll show you as a picture of the machine, but if you click on there, and what that will do will take you out onto the internet straight to that link. It gives you information on the machine, on the HAS. So looking further down in this documentation, we're looking to the VERICUT file summary. In the VERICUT file summary we have a few icons here, and these are links to programs, for instance the NC program. So if I pick on this icon, this will open up the NC program, so you can have a quick look through. Further down we have, under here we have some thumbnails. Okay, these are the thumbnails at each tool change. So if I pick one of the tool changes, if I pick on one of the pictures, it will enlarge the picture so you can have a closer look. Looking further down in the tool summary, we can do the same with the tools. If we just pick on that, it will enlarge the picture. So now we'll have a look at the tools in video. Okay, so these are hyperlinks to videos that have been made, and these videos are being made at the end of each tool. So we have tool 1, tool 2, tool 3 and tool 4. So if I pick on tool 1, if I click on it, it will open up a link to the video. If I go to the last tool, and there you go. So to do a quick overview on what's new in VERICUT 703 and within documentation. There's new icons in the templates to help you for editing. You can change header format within tables. You can add tables within tables to give you more flexibility. You can add pictures, any images and hyperlinks within the templates.